So yes, times are changing here in Tehaleh. Let me first say that if you're thinking about buying in Trilogy, which is the 55 and older community where I have invested my time and efforts, I live here myself. This is now the time. There are more homes for sale in Trilogy than there has been in a very long time, and mostly resales. I think it's like a dozen homes that are for sale at just about every price point. I know of two that are coming up that are not on the market yet. So if you're looking to make a move, I'll be glad to show you those. But if you're looking for something around $900,000 to below $600,000, there are opportunities here in Trilogy and Tehaleh. In Tehaleh in general, there are 98 homes for sale, and 76 of those are resales. So there's still a lot of inventory on, considering the last couple months. It is down 50% from last year. We'll see that here in a few minutes with our graphs, but things are changing. We've got Glacier Point that's opening up. We've got several new builders several builders going in over there. One new one that I can tell you about. And again, if it's just something you're thinking about doing, please reach out to me. Give me a call below. I'll show you around. Buy a cup of coffee. Take a deep breath and take in the market and see how we might be able to get you into a house. If you're thinking about listing a house, it's still a good time to get in on the market. Things are starting to soften somewhat, but I'm sure we can work out a plan for you as well. There's been quite a bit of activity on the market here, and I'm going to go through some graphs to kind of give you some insights to what it's like. Please check out my YouTube channel. Trail Talks in Tehaleh gives you a real insider's look at what it's like living here. I bought here myself. I don't work for Tehaleh. I don't work for the builders, but I can give you a real insider's look to what it's like living here. And please reach out to me before you visit. Please call the number below. If you don't use me, use another local agent. We know what we're talking about here, but you got to get a local agent to save you a lot of time and money. Again, if you don't use me, there's others here in the area, but I'm glad to help you out. I have a concierge level of service I think you'll enjoy. So like I said, there's 98 homes for sale. Only 22 of those are new construction. We're all kind of waiting for Glacier Point to open up, which it has started. There's been 15 price reductions, and those price reductions happened within like a couple of weeks. Normally a price reduction will happen maybe a month or two, but they're happening very quickly if the house is not priced right in this market. We got Richmond going in over there. Richmond let me know that they're releasing their duplexes over there in Glacier Point end of this week. Again, very well-priced homes. You can get a chance to get in over there. Azure is over there as well, about the same kind of townhouses that they have over there too. We've got Brookstone going in, Mainview going in, and a new builder called TriPoint. If you'd like to know where those builders are planning on building, where their lots are, what the views are, what you can expect if you decide to buy over there, please reach out to me. I'll give you all that insider knowledge. So let's look at some charts here, what's going on in the market. And I'm glad to answer any questions you have about these charts. If you want to give me a call there, I'll be glad to go over these with you in more detail. But this is the average sales price. The average sales price in Bonney Lake has dipped to $620,000. Tehaleh, we've dipped below $700,000, and it's still trending down, as you can see. Bonney Lake is down about 4 to 5% from last year. Tehaleh is actually a little bit up, but obviously trending down from last year. And then take a look at the average days on market is the opposite. Days on market are going up and up and up. It's still very much a seller's market. If the home is priced right, it is selling. We're not getting those multiple offers they got before, but they are selling if they're priced right. But you're looking up to about 40 days in Tehaleh and just over about the same, really, in Bonney Lake in general. And we're seeing that kind of start to trickle up and up. Good news for buyers. Also, showings per listing. Good news for buyers. Showings per listing in Tehaleh, they're getting like 3 or 4 showings per listing. And usually the first offer is your best offer. And if you get in early, you're going to secure the deal. So that's trending down, but kind of leveling off. So that's good news for buyers. The overall stats for the Bonney Lake market, are showing some interesting trends. As I pointed out before, you can see new listings. All inventory is down substantially. Days on market is been tripled what it was a year ago. The median sales price has gone down somewhat in the Bonney Lake market, down about anywhere from about around an average of 4% if you take in all the considerations there. And no more above list price offers. Most of them are going at list. Again, if they're listed right, they're going to sell. And we can look at the inflation rate. Whatever's going on is working. We're down to about 3-4% right now. This is about 2 months old, this data here. But mortgage rates are still above 7%. So this is back in July. It was 7%. The first weeks of August, it's still over 7%. So we're seeing that upward pressure. But if you're thinking about making a move, the first person you should talk to after your financial advisor is your lender. And we're going to hear from Becky because she has an interesting take on if you're deciding to not sell and just rent your home. So here's our Monday Mortgage Minute with Becky at Fairway Mortgage.
Short-term rentals have gained popularity in recent years. And if you're looking to make a move, you may have considered converting your house into a rental instead of selling it. Though earning passive income from renting out your house may sound appealing, being a landlord is time-consuming. Here are a few of the challenges you could face if you rent out your house as a short-term rental instead of selling it. Successfully managing your house as a rental takes a lot of time and effort. Managing reservations and guests can be a hassle. The cleaning, landscaping, and maintenance for a rental requires constant upkeep. In addition, you've got to consider how many regulations may affect your ability to convert your home. Think through your willingness to make that level of commitment. And if you need some advice or tips on that, I'd be happy to help because I have some rental properties myself and manage those. So let's connect and see how you can continue to grow wealth through real estate.
Very good. Thanks, Becky. Again, if you'd like to have a conversation with me, if you're thinking about making a move, have a conversation with me and I'll help you out. I've got my magazine I can send out to you if you want to stay in contact with me. I'll also send you out The Land Above. It's a community magazine here in Tehaleh, put out by a couple neighbors. So it's got some really good insights to the community. Happy to share those with you. Please reach out. Love to help you out any way I can. And hopefully we'll see you when you get here.